Hello guys, I'm creating a new world. I figure we could do a watchtower lesson today. Well, most of you know how to build a watchtower, and yeah. So I could name this little watchtower. Okay. We spawned in a good place. We could just build the watchtower right here. My next video could be about my brother's really cool world and survival. You made it all on survival. No lies. Okay, so watchtower. First, I have to dig up all of this. For like, space. Or I could just put this down. That would work too. We need to open space for this. If I've mentioned this in other videos, check out Frostfire's channel. It's really cool. He has like a Minecraft animation, the wither animation. He just started animating. Me and him may create a Minecraft parody. I don't know what it's about though. Okay, so this part is going to be where the watchtower is. Kinda. So I'm gonna dig a hole deep.